Bess Houdini by Medusa the Dollmaker in 50 by 70 cm rounds with free electric diamonds. Here is a sample of what it could look like if you place the free electric diamonds on her earrings as well as on the lining of her coat. Another option would be to place it on these areas instead. You could also, for another option, use the electric diamonds for the time or the sand in this hourglass. Another option would be to sprinkle it in the background, but I think this version really makes it look real and makes Bess Houdini come alive because it looks like she's got actual jewels around her.